New York, where we are having the worst blizzard we have had in years. My name is Seamus and I'm your local reporter. Do I have chocolate on my face? No? Okay. Well, with the wind chill, the temperature is about -20. Without, it's like -30. You know what I'm saying? So, we have some special reporters telling us their opinions on today's storm. There they are. What's your opinions on today's storm? Wait a minute, I'll get one to specify it specifically with us. Here you go, damn animal. Rascal. Our special reporter today is Sally, who loves to fly into the fence. Now, what's your opinions on today's weather? Do I have chocolate on my face, Sally? Okay, well, it's very windy, as you can see, flying all over the fucking place. Holy shit! The top of the snow is even icy as fuck. It's windy! Look at this wind! Fuck! That'll be all.